Welcome back to my channel DigitalDynamiteHub. Today's reviews. Opera Browser AI vs Perplexity AI in 2025. Which tool wins for productivity and research? In 2025, AI tools are no longer optional, they're essential. But with so many options, how do you choose? Opera Browser AI and Perplexity AI stand out as leaders, yet they cater to vastly different needs. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this guide breaks down their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. Let's explore which tool deserves your attention, or if you need both. Opera Browser AI is a smart, all-in-one web browser enhanced with artificial intelligence. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife. 1. Real-time summarization, instantly condense articles, blogs, or reports. 2. Built-in productivity tools, email, calendar, notes, and AI-generated content, text/code, via Aria. Perplexity AI is a research-focused answer engine built for accuracy and depth. It's like having a librarian, researcher, and fact-checker in one. 1. Citation-backed answers. Sources include journals, news, and forums. 2. Complex query handling, perfect for technical, academic, or niche topics. Why choose Opera Browser AI? 1. All-in-one convenience, no need to juggle apps, tools like email, VPN, and AI chat are built in. 2. Speed, quick summaries and smart search save hours weekly. 3. Privacy, built-in VPN and ad blocker protect your data. 4. Content creation, generate social media posts, code, or emails in seconds with Aria. Why choose Perplexity AI? 1. Accuracy matters, every answer includes sources, example, academic papers, or Forbes articles. 2. Deep dives, excels at explaining complex topics like quantum computing or medical research. 3. No fluff, straightforward answers without ads or sponsored content. Benefits of using Opera Browser AI. 1. Time-saving, AI automates repetitive tasks. 2. Cost-effective, free with optional paid upgrades. Benefits of using Perplexity AI. 1. Credibility, citations build trust in answers. 2. Precision, cuts through misinformation. Perplexity, meanwhile, is the undisputed champion for research and accuracy. For heavy multitaskers, using both might be the ultimate power move. Test their free versions, your workflow will thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel.